Very good afternoon, children. Today, in this history class, we will discuss about early Vedic age. The Rig Veda tells us about the life of early Vedic people. It provides information about their customs, society, political organization, and occupation of the land of seven rivers. What is the land of seven rivers? Sapta Sindhu. Yes, Sapta Sindhu is the land of seven rivers, where the Aryans settled after arriving in India. The early Vedic period is also known as Brahma Varata. That means the land of gods. Political organization. They were divided into tribes, and each tribe settled in a particular region, settled in particular area, settled in particular province or village. First, king. Aryans were a powerful people. Since they kept large herds of cattle, they required grasslands to feed them. Animals need to feed grass. That's why they required grasslands to feed them. So, the various tribes generally fought with each other for central of grassland to capture the grasslands. So many tribes, various tribes fought with each other. Each tribe had its king, also called Rajan or chief, who had lead a tribe in these fights. So every tribe has their own Rajan or own king who were leading them in these kinds of fight or war. Therefore, only a strong and brave man was selected as a king, because a coward man or a weak man cannot protect their people or cannot lead them for the war. Now, king's office. The king had various officers to assist him in administration. King alone cannot cannot run the kingdom. That's why he needs various officers to assist him in administration. There was a commander of the army who was called Senani, or Senapati. The Purohita or priest performed religious ceremonies for the king and gave advice in important matters. Purohita, Pandit or priest performed religious ceremonies for the king and gave advice in important matters. In order to remain in touch with the tribesmen living in neighboring villages, the kings had messengers. King had some messengers who were giving messages regarding the life of the people, the problem of the people to the king. Okay. Next, Sabha and Samiti. Sabha and Samiti were two institutions to check the power of the king. Samiti was the national committee of the whole tribe. All important issues were discussed in it. If we'll see the present political institutions of India, then we'll find that there are also many samitis, many institutions like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, and these people help the central government to run the government by giving different advices. All important issues were discussed in it. The Sabha appears to have been a small assembly. A council of important members were advised. The king took part in its meeting. Several tribal assemblies such as Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata, Gana are mentioned in Rig Veda. So these were some samitis that is mentioned in Rig Veda. Social life. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people in the Vedic age. The main characteristics of their social life are as follows. First is the village. The village was a group of dwelling houses built close to each other. The village was surrounded by hedge or fortification which served as protective wall against the wild animals, enemies and natural calamities such as floods. So every village has a fortification or a hedge, that means you can say a boundary wall, that is for protecting them from wild animals, that animals cannot enter the village easily, enemies, that enemies cannot attack easily in their village, and of course the natural calamities such as floods. Here you can see the picture of a Vedic village. Before moving the next subtopic, I request everyone to read this content of early Vedic age. Afterwards we will move forward.